you the seafood expository. Everything here is fresh. You can come and see all the sea products and you can choose whatever you like. At first they bring you an appetizer, some bread and 3 sauces. I will taste each of them. The first one is made with beets. The second one is spicy cheese. And the third one is pesto sauce. The first one is my favorite. This is the menu. I will show you a bit later what I ordered. It's a surprise. Also, I will show you something very cool about this restaurant. The first dish I ordered is a seafood salad, as you can see. The salad is not fully cooked. It's marinated with oil, lemon and vinegar. It's made with octopus, squid, delicious oyster, and my favorite, shrimp. Do you remember the cool thing that I was talking about earlier? It's the pasta. The second dish that I ordered is the seafood linguine, and look at the way how they serve linguine in a big pan, which I find it pretty amazing because who serves you food directly in a pan? And also, as you can see, it's a big amount of food inside the pan. It's made with shrimp, as I told you, my favorite, oyster, and also squid. I can find it. Squid. Now I'm tasting the linguine. As I expected, they are very delicious. And now let me show you my favorite dish. This is tuna shrimp casserole. It has creamy base with hints of wine and tender shrimp. As you can see, I love the flavor at this casserole. The only thing that I would suggest about this dish is to be a bit bigger. Now I will show you the decor of the restaurant. I find it fantastic and I want to share it with you. I'm really enjoying the food here. Everything is perfect. The shrimp, very delicious. I've got such a lovely surprise from the staff friendly here at Fish Time since I came here a lot. Let me show. The first one is called Bankover. It's made with Thai rice and noodles made from rice. The second dish is a crudo salad with seafood. You can find a variety of seafood starting from marinated squid and octopus to salmon, carpaccio, wild oysters and shrimp. Excellent. I don't know how I ate all of that. I'd give this place 10 out of 10. And I would suggest everyone who visit Tirana and loves seafood to come at Fish Time. Bye bye everyone.